Hi everybody, welcome back. So today we're talking about something that frustrates a lot of people, fixing common Excel issues. Whether it's formulas not working, files not opening correctly, or your spreadsheet moving slower than it should, I'll walk you through a few simple ways to troubleshoot and get back on the Excel path. All right, so this is what we got right here. One of the common problems people run into is the formula errors. One example is that you type formula, you hit enter, and instead of the result of you just seeing the formula itself, the quick fix, make sure the cell is set to general or number format, not text, then re-enter the formula. Another big one is the dreaded div 0 or value error. These usually happen when the formula is divided by 0 or trying to calculate the text instead of the numbers. Double check your references and add the error handler, like if error formula, and keep your sheet clean. Okay. Next, let's talk about Excel slowing down or freezing. Large files with too many formulas or formatting can drag the performance. A quick solution is to remove the unnecessary conditional formatting, uses ranges efficiency, and avoid violate the functions like now or ran where possible. If your file won't open or keeps crashing, try opening Excel in safe mode by holding Control while launching it. This disables the add-ins and it helps you figure out if one of the issues is those issues, for example, because you got to go through the process of elimination. And always remember, most Excel issues come down to formatting, formulas, or file size. A little troubleshooting goes a long way, and if you like to take it further, learning some basic shortcuts, error handling functions that can save you hours of frustration, well, you found it very helpful, then you know what to do. Just share this with a colleague who's always struggling with Excel, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips. Thank you for watching.